So let's just talk about duck typing in Python. So duck typing is a programming concept where the type of an object is determined by its behavior. So there is a saying, if it looks like a duck, if it swims like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, then it is a duck. So here we do not care about the type. Anything if that looks like a duck, swims like a duck and quacks like a duck, then we're gonna consider this as a duck. So here we are mainly focused on the behavior rather than the type. So like an example, suppose a person. So if the person looks like a duck, swims like a duck and quacks like a duck, then according to this duck typing, the person will be considered as a duck. So in Python, it doesn't check the type of an object. Instead, the object can be used as long as it behaves correctly. So like an example, suppose we have one class duck. It has the method show and here it prints duck. And also we have another class person. Here also we have the method show and here it prints can be a duck. And outside of all of these classes, we have a method call it, and it takes one object. It can take any object and then it calls the show method of that object. So now we can create one object of the duck and also we can create one object of the person. Because of the duck typing, because we do not care about the type, so we can use the method and we can pass the duck object D. And not just this, also we can use that method and also we can pass the person object P. So in both the cases it will work properly because both of the objects has the corresponding show method. So let's just run this. So here we have the output duck for this duck method and can be duck for the person method. So here we do not really care about the type of the object. If the object has the show method, then it will work properly. So the duck typing has several advantages. So first of all, here we have lot of flexibility because here we have less restriction and which can lead to more reusable code. And secondly, here we have the polymorphism. Polymorphism means existing in many forms. So the duck typing is a way to implement polymorphism. Here it can exist in so many different forms. And thirdly, the code is lot more simplified because you are not checking for any type. That simplifies the whole code. So hope you understand about duck typing in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.